You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
First thing, says everything right here. Let me go over all of these.
So,
Has a safety dance.
I feel like we should probably.
No, you have to read the directions. It tells you exactly what to do. Don't.
Wheels are already on it.
Oh, good.
One screw left. Oh yeah.
There it goes.
One screw left.
How many times did you say one screw left?
I'm about to say.
One screw left?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see it.
Whoever put this together was like, watch this. Oh, this screw's not good. I missed the screw somewhere.
Why don't you lift that up and move it up against this one instead of having it fall in the golf course.
Right. Fine and dandy if I got all the screws.
So is this the fourth?
I think the fifth or sixth.
The wheels are on. Now is the easy part.
Yeah, seriously. That's no sarcasm.
Cricut,
Cricut.
true control knife. It says to test all the wheels and make sure they're on tight. Foot move freely. Spin freely.
Nothing seems to be wobbling. No,
Oh,
wobbling.
are you sure that bottom one?
But it's not. They all do that.
Okay.
It's all. These are all tight.
Okay. This is the light. Let's put this on the golf cart. That could be the light. So just, why don't you just carry that inside? The crown. That's connected to this. This is
Okay.
all connected.
Okay.
So I think you're gonna need help.
Well, it's on
I'm gonna-
wheels.
Don't need two people to push.
I just want to push it forward.
Yeah, it's.
Maybe you want to slide the other one or what? Because the other one was in the middle.
Yeah, just push it there
Yeah, you can.
until we get the other one.
The other one will be fun.
Okay, my son finished screwing on the doors. There's one door on the right, one door on the left, and it's put together. This is how it looks when it first comes and you first open it up with the 80 totes inside and all the shelves. It's really easy to put together. I got the pre-built model. I highly suggest that. Thank you so much to the original Scrapbox company for sending me this DreamBox. It's amazing. I can't wait to show you what I do with it. And thank you so much for giving my subscribers $100 off a DreamBox. Just use the code HAPPY and save $100. And there's financing available. You don't have to come up with the money all at once. I do get a small commission when you purchase through my link. And make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you can see my full DreamBox tour showing you everything inside, and then a new craft room tour. Leave me a comment of what you want to see me put inside the DreamBox. Thanks for watching, guys.